This is Annette from needlepointers.com. The leg on my drop leaf table came off, so I am going to show you how I repaired it. Please bear in mind that I am not a professional carpenter. This is how I did it. The leg on the table was held together with wooden pegs, so I figured that I could use a dowel in the place of the wooden pegs. The first thing I did was drill out the holes or the old pegs that were in the leg and in the table. Using a coping saw, I cut 2 new pegs out of the dowel. Before doing any gluing, I checked that the dowels that I cut are the right size and that the table and the leg lined up. I am going to use liquid nail to attach my dowel pegs to the leg and to the table. What I'm going to do is just insert some of the liquid nail into the holes and then put the pegs in. And I'm going to do the same thing on the holes on the table. The leg is now attached to the table. All I have to do is let it dry. If I can, I always try to repair things myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we publish new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Visit our website needlepointers.com for other woodworking information, free projects, and tutorials.